Mending fences. Understanding, patch up a quarrel. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in conversations, books, or movies. Patch up a quarrel. Understanding such phrases can significantly improve your fluency and comprehension of the English language. So, let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Patch up a quarrel refers to the process of resolving a disagreement or argument between two parties. Think of it like fixing a tear in your favorite piece of clothing with a patch. Similarly, when you patch up a quarrel, you're repairing the relationship and bringing things back to a peaceful state. It involves communication, understanding, and often compromise to reach a resolution where both parties can move forward amicably. The phrase, patch up, has been used since the late Middle Ages, originally referring to the literal action of repairing something by covering holes or tears with patches. Over time, its usage expanded to include the figurative sense of fixing or resolving non-physical issues, such as disagreements or disputes. The imagery of applying a patch to mend something broken provides a vivid metaphor for the reconciliation process. Incorporating patch up a quarrel into your conversations can add depth to your language skills. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. After an argument, we had a big argument yesterday, but we've managed to patch up the quarrel. Giving advice. I think it's time you two sat down and patched up your quarrel. Life's too short for grudges. Reflecting on past conflicts. Looking back, I'm glad we were able to patch up our quarrel. Our friendship is stronger now. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of patch up a quarrel. It's a beautiful phrase that encapsulates the idea of reconciliation and peacemaking. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also your ability to express complex ideas and emotions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons like this. See you in the next video.